Let me give you a full tour of this V8 LTD that we're giving away this weekend. So entries close this Saturday, depending on the time you're watching this video. And this car won all 4-day best LTD 2026. And you can see why, because it's in absolutely immaculate condition. The color is called Luscious Burgundy. Sorry, I had a mental blank there. It's in original condition apart from an exhaust. Have a look at the wheels, have been professionally restored as well. Have a look how clean this thing is. Just let me give you a quick overview so you can see the condition and how nice this thing is. So we're drawing the random winner this weekend. So if you don't know much about these cars, the Ford LTD was Ford's premium version that had every single feature that they could include into this car. And in 2004, which this car is, that included dual zone digital climate control. So both passengers can have their own temperature, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. It's got the memory seats. It's got full premium leather interior. So no fake leather here. Back in 2004, everything was done premium. We're gonna go more of the interior in a sec. So this one here has the Barra 220 kilowatt V8 engine. It's a 5.4 litre, 24 valve engine, which is extremely powerful. 220 kilowatts to the motor, plenty for the roads, and it sounds really, really good as well. Let's start off by showing you the engine bay. This car also is fitted with a secret kill switch for extra safety, and is in completely unmodified condition other than, I believe, an exhaust. So there's the engine bay, completely original. The 5.4 litre 24 valve Barra V8. So this is the 220 version called the Barra. I'm not sure why Ford did that. A lot of people are confused about it. The 260 was called the Boss. Similar engine but different. As you can see there, the big V going through. It does have a couple little dress up accessories such as the fuse box cover, the power steering cover as well. And this car has been meticulously maintained by its previous owner. Big chrome grille there at the front. Custom plates LTD BA, which if the winner is from Victoria, you will have the plates as well. The gloss is absolutely insane on this thing. Let's have a look at the interior. So one of the cool things about this car is it's got the electric sunroof, which is tiltable. Full leather interior. As I was saying before, memory seats. It's got the chrome scuff pads. This one also has custom LTD mats. Just have a look at the condition of the steering wheel on this thing. You can see why it won best LTD at all Ford Day this year. 270 Ks, which is pretty average for one of these. It hasn't been locked away, but it has been used and meticulously maintained. Like, look at the seat. Premium leather. I would almost say it's like a bit of a coffee or cappuccino color. It's got the LTD embroidery, all the wood grain features. So these cars were turned into limousines because of how comfortable they drive and how luxurious they are. Used to carry around royalty, prime ministers and stuff like that. Wedding cars. So it also has the dual zone climate control. So each passenger can have their own desired temperature. It's got 6 CD stacker, which is very nostalgic now. A lot of you guys might remember CDs. Some of you guys might be thinking, what are you talking about? So one cool thing about these LTDs is that they're a longer wheelbase version of a Falcon. So as you can see, very long car. And the reason for that is so the rear passengers can have the same or very similar legroom to the front. So when we open the door, we notice that there's a lot of room here for the rear passengers. So if you are carrying someone around like your mother or your father or your adult kids, this is super comfortable. It almost feels like you're sitting in the front of a chair. Usually if there's someone bigger in the back, the front person has to squish their chair up, which is not ideal for comfort. Have a look at that sunroof through the back. So that is tiltable and adjustable, all electric, which I can show you in a sec. That's what the interior looks like from the back. I really like the design of the BA BFs. Simple and effective and still looks classy. Again, LTD in the rear seat. This seat will fold down as well, and you should be able to pull this down, which I've never done before. All right, let's just leave that for now. It's a little bit tight. Maybe it's never been pulled down before. Coming around to the back, so similar styling to the Falcon. A Falcon, you will notice, has the number plate like in the middle here, whereas this one is more luxurious and sleek. It's got the chrome garnish, the chrome under the tail lights as well. It's also got the chrome strip coming around, and it's very rare to see one of these in original condition with the standard wheel still. Have a look at that, the little LTD cap, and have a look at the condition of the wheel. Like, you're not going to find that anywhere. These ones had to be professionally restored, and that's one thing I love about this car, is it's in original condition. Perfect for the owner to modify as they wish or keep it as it is. I think this color is extremely classy. The car's also at standard factory height, so no crazy modifications or anything that, you know, compromises the comfort and quality. But if you were the winner of this car, which we are giving it away this weekend, if you didn't know, you can do what you want with this thing. You want to slam it, lower it on some wheels, go ahead. Personally, I would probably just lower it a little bit and put some bigger rims on it. But if you wanted to keep it factory looking, then I don't think anyone would argue with that, because it looks really good as it is right now. But the joy of having your own car is you choose what it looks like and how it is. Let me give this thing a quick start up for you so you can see what it sounds like. You can see a lot of people walking past this car are having a look. This guy here just had a look, because it does stand out. I mean, it's just a beautiful design car. If you compare it to this, whatever that is, Suzuki Baleno, or who knows what that is, this thing is just pure class. So let me give you a little preview of what it sounds like. I'll just put my camera here. I'm wearing a mic, so I'll just put the mic here so you can hear it. So she does have a little crackle pop there, which is nice, nothing too excessive. So yeah, if you want to get in the draw, what you're going to do, go to the link in the description, or you might be seeing a link under this video. Have a look. If you want to buy some access to our online community, which I said before is just a bunch of guys who talk about cars, share our projects, share our problems. There's a few videos that are on our channel in there. And yeah, you can chat with me if you want. And yeah, thanks for checking it out, guys. Let me know what you think of this car in the comments below, and I'll speak to you soon. 9 minutes.